I'm just moving all the things out of the way that will make bad noise when I move. And yeah, good enough.
Don't start. Okay, don't start. Okay.
Hey loyals, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today we have a Zara and H&M unboxing for you guys to show you some things we picked up for styling, and yeah, I think that's it. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
I think I want to say we specifically picked out yellow outfits or yellow pieces because we're trying to do it according to colors. So.
Yeah, so you see a lot of yellow.
Predominantly yellow.
Okay. So first we have Zara. Should we use this box here? That's what it looks like. And first item we have in here is this checkered.
This is nice.
Yeah, it is really nice. Is it a jumpsuit? Yes. Checkered jumpsuit. So you have the buttons in the front. I think it just looks really nice and summery. Yellow is just one of the best, obviously, because it's so bright. But yeah,
and also because of your skin tone.
Yeah, it really complements
on a darker skin tone.
Yeah. So yeah, the checkered print is like picnicky vibes, outdoorsy vibes, which is really nice. Yeah. And the trouser leg it's not straight, I would say. I don't even know how to explain this cut, but it's slightly baggier, which I think looks nice. And they have turn-ups at the bottom. It's like
I would say it gives you the high-waisted mum jean vibe. Yeah. In the sense, it's tailored though. The cut is still tailored. I like it because there's a lot going for it. It's tailored. It looks tailored. Even though the print is gingham, it looks tailored. It's high-waisted. It gives you almost like, you know, this movie that they did that they danced a lot in it. It's an old movie. Grease. Yeah. Some of the outfits that the ladies wore. Yeah. Yeah, it has that vibe. So I was gonna say something. It's cotton, isn't it?
Yes. I'll check in the tag, but yeah.
And it still gives you harem pants feel.
Yes.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's baggy, so it also gives you like a harem pants. So, yeah. It's not tight.
Really, really like the cuts, and then you have these wide band straps, which I'm here for, and the back is actually crossed in the back. Obviously, it doesn't show we're here, but hopefully, when you guys see the try-on, you'll see that it's crossed in the back. But I do feel like it's a really nice one piece for summer. It has pockets as well, which is always a plus, because ladies barely have things with pockets. Got this in a size large. This is new in as well. Put it in a large, and the price was $29.99. But yeah, I think this summer piece is really good. I feel like if you want to throw a t-shirt underneath it, you can. A vest underneath it, crop vest underneath it, you can. By itself, it will work. So I just feel like, yeah, it'll be really nice.
I like the fact that it's different.
Yeah.
It's not like an obvious choice.
At all, yeah. I think with the pattern and the cut is just top notch. Next item in the box. It's also, I think, a jumpsuit. Is it a jumpsuit as well?
It's a dress.
It's a dress. Okay, this is a dress. But again, also very, very pretty. The front is slightly higher. Is there a name for this neck? It's not like, it actually sits quite high, I think.
It wants to be like a halter neck. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it doesn't tie in the back. So I'll still say it's a halter neck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then the back is typical of the dresses. I mean, this season, the backless thing is everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Everywhere. Every shop is doing backless. I don't know, maybe some designer did it and then everyone's following suit.
Yeah. So I think the idea is is really, really nice. And the sleeve with the elastic, love that, gives way. You have just a nice flowy A-line skirt at the bottom. Now the top and the bottom are actually 2 different fabrics.
Really?
Yeah, this feels like cottonish, and this
that's
feels not even linen, unless
A mix.
it's a blend,
Okay.
definitely. But yeah, in terms of length, it does come to maybe my shin, I would say, or just over the knee. We got this as a size medium, and this was originally $25.99 new in. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a nice, pretty summer dress that, yeah, again, you can wear out. If it's a brunch day, shopping day, I think this is just really, really nice dress to wear. You can wear white trainers, any form of sandal that you have. Just think it looks really, really nice. Yeah.
And the smoking in the middle
It's
quite nice.
it's really good.
It looks like it's going to be nice on. It will look nice on. Like again, I say the dress you're wearing is Zara, Primark, isn't it? Yeah. But when you look at the Primark yellow and you look at Zara yellow, Zara is so clever that it still gives you the brightness without it looking cheap. It looks like it's tastefully done.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean actually. Yeah, their colors are so right. They get them on point. But yeah, I think like Mom said about the smoke in the middle, it just takes you in a little bit, I think, which will look really pretty. But yeah, this is another nice summer piece. And now in the UK, summer is looking promising, so these will be
now we're in Africa. We're definitely in Africa now. Initially we didn't know what we were doing, whether we're, you know.
Yeah. Next item in the box, again, this like sort of jumpsuit. This one looks very cool. I like this
That's
one.
cool.
So you have these whitish band sleeves.
What size did we get? Sorry to interrupt you. What size did we get?
We got a size extra small to small.
And it's baggy like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's try it before we advise.
Okay.
Because I was gonna say if you're getting it, you should size down. Because it's huge, isn't it?
It is big. No, yeah.
For a second, I thought I picked a large.
No, yeah. So if you are like size 6'4", you would probably struggle because
It will not be an option for you.
Yeah.
It will not be for you at
because
all.
it is big, like that big.
I mean, we'll try it on so you get to see it for yourself.
Yeah. So like we said, small to extra small, and this was $27.99, new in. So yeah, I just really like the look of it. The fact that it is so big.
How much was it again?
$27.99.
Ooh.
It's quite steep though, isn't it?
Yeah, 19. I would have said keep it.
It's really, really nice.
Different.
So yeah, it just goes into this really big wide leg trouser bottoms, which I think look really cool. Again, if you wore this by itself with a vest or something, it would just look so cool. And maybe like Air Forces or some form of trainer. Top notch.
You know what I'm rather thinking?
The thong.
The thong.
Yeah, that was my next thing I was going to even say.
And then a shirt.
Right.
A shirt, but a cup sleeve shirt.
Oh, so it stops here.
You know, it's almost like sleeveless. I think we have something similar there.
Okay, yeah. I think I know what you're talking about. Really that would bang.
Yeah.
That would bang. So yeah. As you can see, just different ways that you can wear it, which I think makes this piece all the more better. Again, like the dress.
You can't even throw a blazer on this, Nisha, like.
No, yeah, you can. Depending on what the type of day it is, yes, you can put a blazer on top.
This is a really nice one. Yeah.
It works with a lot.
Yeah.
Like the dress, it also has 2 fabrics. So the top feels
what is this that Zara is doing?
It feels like shirt-like. Maybe it's sustainable fashion. I don't know, but top is a bit shirt. Like
really?
The bottom is like t-shirty, not t-shirt. I don't even know.
Oh, I get it. You know how you want to bring structure into something, but you don't want it to be
flow.
Yes.
Right.
That's clever.
Yeah, they're smart. So yeah, because sometimes when you do buy these jumpsuits and dresses,
they are all cotton and
towards
hard,
the end,
it's very hard to wear.
It's not nice, and it doesn't.
It's not flattering.
Yeah,
it's not.
But then you need the pant leg to be
soft,
fluid. So having the 2 fabrics just makes sense.
We have to give Zara the props.
Yeah, you know. Also, I do like the paneling in that they have like panels running through. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but
I can see it.
yeah, looks really, really cool as well. So
In fashion, yeah, if you have more seams,
uh-huh.
it means that the item is expensive.
Oh really?
If the seams are not a lot, it
Mhm.
means that it's a cheap
Why
one.
is that? Oh,
It means that it's almost like they've not structured it, but it's like they've cut in such a way that it will sit on you properly.
Right. Okay.
So time has gone in, thinking has gone in.
Yeah.
They've,
Mm-hmm.
that sort of thing.
Okay, gotcha. So yeah, Zara have really brought it with these. I really like that. I'm even considering, but the thing is, obviously they are.
Nisha, by the time you know you've taken Zara into your house,
Yes.
every time you're considering.
Do you know why? Because this, when we just talked about the different styles with the baggy one, just thinking that I could wear it multiple times so differently.
It's true.
And it would all bang.
It's true.
Anyway, we'll see about that one. Zara. Alrighty. And more of the yellows. So here we have just a really nice graphic t-shirt. It's in a sort of mustard, marigold, yellow color.
It actually looked yellow on there because there was another one, but I thought this one looked more yellow.
More yellow,
It's
oh.
come out mustard.
And yeah, it's just got some navy blue on the head hem. I don't know how to describe it.
Saint Tropez 1980 France.
So yeah, just a plain nice yellow graphic tee. We got it for $6.99 and got it in a size medium. So again, if you have any form of maybe shorts, skirts, dungarees, anything that just a casual fit that you need a t-shirt to go with, I think this really works. So yeah, that's also Zara.
I think the best way to get things more out of your outfit is always think outside the box. You see, people just buy t-shirts and the first thing comes to mind, I'm going to wear it with jeans, I'm going to wear it. But you have to think about, you can put it with a suit.
Yeah.
You can even put it with a suit, a waistcoat up and down, like a tailored waistcoat up and down. You can put it with just a blazer and maybe a pair of jeans or even white trousers. I like the fact that it was white here. So white tailored trousers tucked in with formal shoes.
Yeah, I see.
So you always have to
think, don't think conventional.
Yeah.
Right, got you. Yeah, I agree. Speaking of up and down, we have this two-piece as well, which also looks really cool. It's almost like a vest slash or blazer without sleeves, in a really nice lemon yellow. The size is medium and $29.99. Was it for the suit or just for the top?
Just for the top.
Ooh, God,
because it's like a two-piece.
Right.
Yeah, it's a two-piece. And this is one of the ones I'm actually looking forward to see how it looks.
Put it together.
Yeah.
I really like the buttons in the front. It's really old school vibes with the big buttons. I really, really like them. But yeah, just a really nice, simple vest. And it's cropped as well.
If you had a summer, you had like a summer wedding, or you have a summer something that you're going, that you don't want to be in like a big dress or like some long dress, a piece like this
is perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, and you would look different and cool as well with it.
It will work with court shoes, high heel court shoes. It will work with mules. It will work with gladiator sandals. It will work with a loafer. It will work with platform shoes.
Anything basically. Yeah, I'm even trying to think.
And I think the trick is that it's so simple.
Yeah.
When it's simple, you can do a lot
with it.
A lot of people don't realize that when you have simple things, you get to do a lot with it. When it's complicated, it's almost like you can only wear it one way and that's it. You can't do it.
Sometimes you use the simplistic thing so much that people don't even see the repetition. Sometimes you even wear this by itself or the trousers by itself, and it's just like you get so much use out of it. Yeah. As opposed to something louder. But yeah,
what fabric is that? It looks like cotton from here. It was a mix, cotton and linen or something.
Let me see the label. It says
you don't worry. I'm sure when we're starting, we'll see.
Yeah, cotton. 98% cotton and 2% elastane.
Oh, so it's stretchy.
Not really. No, I guess because of the ratios, you don't get as much because if it's like 98% cotton.
Well, so it allows ease. Usually 1% should give you stretch.
Really?
Yeah.
There is a.
Why is it laughing at me?
The way you said stretch.
So yeah, stretch. Yeah, and then this is the skirt that it comes with.
This is almost
really
like
cute.
you're going to play tennis, isn't it?
Yeah, I really like it, tennis skirt. And because, like I said, you can wear it separately. So if it was a colder day and you had a big white sweater and you put it on top, or a white shirt or anything like that, I just feel like it would also bang. So a really nice yellow tennis skirt. The skirt was also quite expensive, wasn't it? $25.99 for the skirt, and this is also a size medium. So yeah, I think if you were to wear it, it will definitely be like above the knee. So yeah, just for reference.
And I don't know if it's me, but I've noticed something about Zara mini dresses or mini things that they do. They are usually short, but sometimes it almost feels like it's not short.
Yeah, they're able to let you not see the length, like how short it is, when you wear it.
And I'm wondering what is it? It's because they do mini
I
stuff,
don't know
but then
if
when you
it's
wear it, it doesn't look like
mini. I don't know if it's the way they cut it or something like that, because I think I know what you mean. Even if they do things that are like somewhat bodycon mini skirts, they don't look obscene. But I think it's
you
something
let
to do
it
with
lie, so we don't get a lot of creasing in it when you put it down.
Alright. So yeah, that was the two-piece we have as well.
What size was it again?
Both medium.
And the prices were?
So the top was $29.99.
And then the skirt was?
$25.99, I believe. So yeah.
So, but then again, Zara, how can you price
A
this
skirt
small?
at $25.99? But yeah, I think it's because it's all the natural fibers, because it's cotton, isn't it? So it's just
I was just gonna say that, and I think they a lot of thinking goes into the
clothing, like design,
the fit and everything. So sometimes it's worth,
it's money.
Yeah.
Yes. So even as you would explain me and you were saying some events, I was thinking, ooh, like a wedding or something.
Oh yeah.
Would actually bang really. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below your favorite items and whatever else you want to see from us. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one if it fits.
I was gonna say something. Forgive me.
Yeah,
I was gonna say that. Thank you so much for the views and whatnot. I mean, daily we are getting people subscribing to the channel
all the time,
and we are very grateful because I think it makes us want to do well and do more.
Yeah. So
thank you for your support and everything.
Yeah.
And if you have any feedback, let us know what you want us to do and you want to see.
So that was everything that we purchased from Zara. Moving on to H&M now. So the first items that I've got for you guys are these two packages. So yeah, as I was saying, hopefully we'll see you in the next one if it fits.
Feel free and have fun styling it.
Bye guys. Bye.